This is the very first cell phone in the world featuring Qualcomm's brand new 4G chip. Honor has officially revealed the Honor X8d, and its strategy is quite clear. They aim to capture the attention of those who prioritize battery life above all else. Regarding the connection speed or raw power, this device marks the worldwide debut of the Snapdragon 6S4G Gen 2 processor. It's quite an awkward and lengthy name. Snapdragon has been making unusual choices with their processor names lately. However, by opting for this chip, Honor sacrifices G connectivity, but in return, you gain better energy efficiency. Apparently, this processor is specifically designed to maximize every single drop of energy, and it surely has a lot of energy to squeeze. This is because the Honor X9d comes with an enormous 7000 mAh battery, along with 45 watts fast charging. What's truly amazing is that they have managed to fit this huge capacity into a body that is only 7.5 millimeters thick. They have also kept the same design line that already characterizes the X series. Complementing the package is a 677-inch AMOLED screen with 120 Hz and a 108 megapixel main camera, making it clear that the emphasis of this device is definitely not the camera, since it will not integrate very attractive things in that aspect, but in the battery and already. Although Honor also in this series usually emphasizes the strength and durability of the devices, but what is striking is that at least they have released a new processor, unlike past generations that even repeated processors. At the very least, we are now going to witness a slight evolution taking place right here in this moment. Would you consider purchasing a cell phone that only has 4G capabilities in the year 2026? Or do you believe that having 5G is already essential for all types of phones? Please share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below.